Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Year 3 students of SK Sungkai. Today we are going to learn how to use was and were in sentences. Kita akan belajar macam mana nak guna perkataan was ataupun dan juga were di dalam perkataan. The chapter is chapter 8. Where were you yesterday? Okay, let's go. Okay, so now, I want to talk about singular and plural. Singular maksudnya seorang ataupun satu subjek yang melakukan sesuatu benda ada satu sahaja. Manakala plural ialah untuk ramai. Ramai yang melakukan sesuatu. Okay, so kita tengok di sini singular I. Saya, seorang. He. Dia lelaki, seorang. She. Dia perempuan, seorang. It. Okay, it ialah untuk benda ataupun animals. Things or animals, we use it. Okay, kata ganti nama benda ialah it. Okay, ataupun a cat. Satu kucing. A ni maksud dia satu ya, ingat. Okay, jadi kawan dia di sini ialah semuanya was. Okay, semuanya was. Okay, nampak? Bila satu saja, dia akan jadi was. Now, let's look at plural. Plural maksudnya subjek melakukan sesuatu tu ramai. Contohnya you. Okay, you ni kenapa kita kata dia ramai, awak? Sebab kalau seorang you, dua atau tiga orang pun masih lagi you. Okay, awak semua. So, jadi kita tak boleh nak bahagikan dia sama ada singular atau plural. So, kita jadikan dia plural. You were. We. Kami, they, mereka. The cats. Kucing-kucing itu. Nampak? Bila ada s, maksudnya dia lebih daripada satu. Jadi, kita kena masukkan dia dalam golongan plural. So, you were, we were, they were, the cats were. Okay, look at these two lovely cats. So, yang ni singular ke plural? Correct. Yes, betul. Okay, kalau dua ekor, dia masuk dekat bahagian plural. The cats. Okay, nampak ni? Ada S. Okay, let's do task 1. We are going to use was or were in sentences. Kita akan guna perkataan was ataupun were di dalam perkataan. Okay, was. Okay, see? Kenapa? Sebab ni, oh, sorry. Dia nak highlight. Alright. So, was. Satu. Okay, seekor. A cat. Okay. Ni tengok ada dua ekor ni. So, dia jadi were. Sebab dia plural, dia ramai. So, we are going to use the words here. Sleeping. Tidur. Okay. Now, look at the first cat. Okay, bila seekor, kita guna a sebab a tu maksud dia satu. A cat. Kalau kata ganti nama pula macam mana? Yes, untuk benda ataupun binatang, kata ganti nama dia ialah it. Ingat, bila singular, kawan dia was. Kawan dia was. Okay, let's look at the first sentence. A cat was sleeping. Look here. Seekor kan? A cat was sleeping. And if we want to use kata ganti nama untuk kucing tersebut, we are going to use it was sleeping. Ini a cat maksudnya satu kucing. It ialah dia, kata ganti nama untuk binatang. Okay, now were. Were maksudnya lebih daripada satu. Dia ada dua. Ni dua ekor ni. Ekor satu, ekor dua. So, we are going to use were. So, kalau dua ekor, kalau satu a cat, kalau dua ekor tadi apa? The cats. The cats. Ada S kat hujung dia. Plural. Okay. Kata ganti nama untuk kalau satu ekor, kita panggil it. Kata ganti nama dia. Kalau untuk dua ekor, apakah ganti nama dia? Ya, they. Sama macam manusia. Bila dua ekor kucing, kita akan panggil mereka. They. Now, the cats were sleeping. Nampak? Kalau dua ekor, dia jadi were. Kalau seekor, dia jadi was. Okay, the cats were sleeping. Okay, kalau kita guna kata ganti nama, dia jadi they were sleeping. Good job. Now, let's go to another slide. Now, how do we use was and were in questions? Okay, was dengan were ni kita boleh gunakan menjadi soalan. Macam mana kita gunakan dia jadi soalan? Macam ni ya. Okay, tadi was sebab seekor. Bila 2 ekor, soalan dia kena ada were. Sebab dia plural 2 ekor. Were the cats eating? Were the cats eating? Adakah kucing-kucing ni tengah makan? Betul ke tak? Yes. They were eating. They were eating. Good job. Now, agree and disagree. Kita gunakan was and were untuk menyatakan kita setuju ataupun tidak setuju. Macam mana cara dia? Okay, we are going to talk about agree and disagree. Now, what is agree? Agree ialah setuju. Disagree ialah tidak bersetuju dengan soalan yang diberikan. So, kita mulakan dengan was. Okay, was ialah untuk singular. Bila kita setuju, yes, I was. Ya, saya. Ialah. Ataupun bila kita tidak setuju, dia jadi no, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Dia tambah yang belakang ni ya. Tengok. Mana kedainya? Kini. Bila kita setuju, kita sebut was. Bila kita tak setuju, we are going to put not. Okay, and yang ni, yang belakang ni sebenarnya singkatan untuk not. Okay, jadi kita sebut wasn't. Okay. Now, untuk plural, were, bila kita tak setuju, when we are disagreeing with something, we are going to use weren't. Weren't. Okay? Dan tak bunyi R dia. Weren't. Alright? Now, setuju was and were. Tak setuju, disagree, wasn't or weren't. Okay, now, let's look at the picture here. Now, look at these 3 minions. They are having fun. They are having fun while watching the movie. Okay, minion ni tengah seronok tengok movie. So the questions that we are going to ask, was the movie good? Was the movie good? Now, kenapa teacher guna was? Okay, sebab berapa wayang kita tengok? Okay, ada satu sahaja. So, soalannya, was the movie good? We are going to use was. We are going to use was. So, the answer, tengok, they are having fun. When they are having fun, so they are having a fun day. It is good. So, the answer will be, yes, it was. Yes, it was. Nampak was dekat sini? Dekat belakang pun was juga. Mesti sama. Okay, yang ni. Kenapa teacher guna it? Okay, it ialah kata-kata nama untuk the movie. Okay. Now, look at the second questions. Oh, look at this sad kitten. Tengok ni, anak kucing ni tengah sedih. So, I'm going to ask the questions. Was the movie funny? Was the movie funny? Adakah movie itu, wayang itu, kelakar? So, what are you going to answer? Dia nangis. So, is it fun? No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Tak kelakar pun because the cat is crying. So, it is sad movie. Okay, look at the picture. If you look at the picture from this textbook, a city from the past. A City from the Past, page 78. Ini ialah gambar pada zaman dahulu. At that time, there is no handphone, there is no car, there is no motorcycle, many things. Traffic light pun tak ada. Okay, pada masa ini, dia ada benda yang kenderaan berenjin. Maybe train, but in this picture, there is no train. So, question is, was there any bus? Was there any bus? Adakah di situ bus? Ada nampak bus tak? I'm looking around. No, there is no bus. So the answer will be no, there wasn't. No, there wasn't. Okay, the second questions, were there many carriages? Were there many carriage? Okay, carriage ni maksudnya ni pedati, kereta, kuda, pedati ni pedati ni. Okay, ada banyak tak? Yes, banyaknya. So the answer will be yes. There were. Yes, there were. Kena ada full stop di hujung tu. Were there many carriages? Yes, there were. Okay, the last questions. Were there many cars? Were there many cars? Ada banyak kereta tak? Like I said before, there is no car at that time. So, no, there weren't. No, there weren't. No, there weren't. Okay, silent R. Okay, so, questions from your textbook. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Di manakah awak semalam? Okay, look at the picture. The girl is cycling at the park. Okay, so the question is, where was she yesterday? Where was she yesterday? Di manakah dia semalam? So, I said here tadi, kat mana tadi? At the park. So, we are going to answer, she was at the park. She was at the park. Dia ialah ada di taman. Now, look at the farmer. Farmer ni pekebun ni. Okay, tempat yang dia berkebun ni ialah farm. Where was he yesterday? Where was he yesterday? Di manakah dia semalam? Jawapannya, he was at the farm. He was at the farm. Dia adalah berada di kebun. Now, look at the picture. There are people acting on the stage. Ada 3 orang budak dekat atas ni sedang berlakon di atas pentas. And the students are having fun. Murid-murid lain ni tengah seronok. So, where do you think the stage at? Kat mana stage ni? So, the answer is, where were they yesterday? Where were they yesterday? Di manakah mereka semalam? Dekat mana ni? Yes, this is a school hall. Ini ialah dewan sekolah. So, the answer were, they were at the school hall. They were at the school hall. Mereka berada di dewan sekolah. Now, look at this. Kat mana ni? Nampak kita yang comel ni? Yes, this is the library. Library. Ini ialah berada di... Mana perempuan ni tadi? She is at the library. So, oops. Where were you yesterday? Di manakah awak semalam? Okay, bila ditanya di mana awak semalam, we can't use awak berada di perpustakaan. Mestilah saya. Mestilah saya. Okay. Bila saya, jawapan dia saya, ditanya di mana awak, jawapan dia ialah saya ada di library. Teacher tak guna were. Teacher guna was. Sebab I, kawan dia ialah was. Teacher tak guna I were at the library. Teacher guna I was at the library. Now, new vocab yang kita akan belajar pada hari ini. Okay, dah banyak-banyak teacher cakap ni. Perkataan yang kita akan belajar pada hari ini yang baru ialah quiet. Quiet. Quiet ni maksud dia shh, senyap. Scary. Menakutkan. Noisy. Noisy. Bising. Funny. Funny. Kelakar. Interesting. Interesting. Menarik. Now, I want you to find quiet. Which pictures resemble quiet? Mana gambar yang dia kata, shh, quiet? Yes, here it is. The man who is wearing green shirt. Is it correct? Yes, quiet ialah lelaki yang sebut shh. Now, scary. The second word is scary. Scary ni apa? Menakutkan. Where is it? Where is it? Which picture? Yes, that's correct. Takutnya tengok clown ni. So, it is scary. Okay. Now, noisy. Bising. Correct. As you can see here, a cat is playing a tambourine. Tambourine pula. Cuba tak tahu benda ni. Drum. Bising sangat. So, noisy. Now, how about funny? Can you see this dog and his funny mouth okay, sticking out his face outside of window. So nampak mulut ni kelakar kan? So funny and interesting, menarik. Yes, the last picture, the girl is looking at something interesting. Budak perempuan ni tengah tengok sesuatu yang menarik. Now, second side of the vocabulary are market. Market is a really busy place and it is really noisy. Okay, market ialah tempat yang sangat sibuk dan selalunya sangat bising. Now, amusement park, usually you have many interesting fun games. Okay, dekat dalam taman tema selalunya ada banyak game-game yang menyeronokkan, fun things to do at the amusement park. Now, museum. What do you have in the museum? You have really old painting, beautiful painting, interesting artifacts. Okay, dekat dalam museum selalunya ada lukisan-lukisan yang berharga, yang lama, dan artifak yang menarik, interesting. Now, what about grave, kubur? Yes. If it's at night, kalau waktu malam-malam, selalunya the grave are quite scary. Selalunya dekat kubur-kubur sangat menakutkan. And how about library? Library ialah perpustakaan and you have to be quiet. Shh. Now, let's see the first picture. As you can see here, artifacts and painting. So, what is it? Yes, it is museum. Wait. How about if we look at the words first? Market. So, where is the market? Yes, markets has a lot of people buying things. And it's quite noisy. Yep, that's it. The market. Nampak ada orang jual buah kat situ. Yep. And then the second one is amusement park. Tempat seronok mesti ada clowns. Yes, that is amusement park. And museums. Yes, museum. Apa tadi dia cakap? Yes, ada painting and ada painting and lots of artifacts. Itu di museum. Now, grave. Grave ni kubur. Yang mana satu? Quite scary place. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's grave. And the last one, you can see lots of book and you have to be quiet. Jangan hempas buku. Don't throw your books on the desk. So that will be a library. So that's it. If you want to watch a new video from me, click like and subscribe for further video. Bye.